Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce the only way. We're diving into the foundational technique for a truly versatile and delicious white sauce. This method ensures a smooth, lump-free result every time, perfect for mac and cheese, gratins, or creamy soups. Get ready to master this essential culinary skill with simple steps and common kitchen ingredients. Let's get started on creating a sauce that elevates any meal. The secret to a great white sauce begins with a perfect roux. First, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Keep whisking constantly for 1 to 2 minutes until the mixture forms a smooth paste and smells slightly nutty. This cooking time helps eliminate the raw flour taste, ensuring a rich flavor in your final sauce. Now for the magic. Slowly add 1.5 cups of cold milk to your roux, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. It's crucial to add the milk gradually, allowing the roux to absorb it and thicken smoothly. Keep whisking until the sauce reaches your desired creamy consistency. Finally, season your perfect white sauce with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper to taste. This simple seasoning enhances the overall flavor. Your perfectly smooth white sauce is now ready. This versatile base can be transformed into countless dishes. Use it as a foundation for a creamy macaroni and cheese, a rich gravy, or even a delicious Mornay sauce by simply adding your favorite grated cheese. The possibilities are truly endless with this fundamental recipe. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.